Dear students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. I am your commerce teacher. Today we are going to discuss about linear conjunction function. This is a topic of aggregate demand and supply. Aggregate demand and supply we had discussed in the last lecture, also in last video, but topic is another one. Now we are going to discuss linear conjunction function. So what is the meaning of these all things? We have to discuss about that. What is the meaning of conjunction? We have to discuss these all things. What is the meaning of conjunction? Students, you know very well, when we are going to utilize any goods and services for our personal use, this is the part of conjunction. जब कोई सामान हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उपयोग करते हैं, उपभोग करते हैं, उसे हम कंजप्शन कहते हैं. एंड कंजप्शन इज डिनोटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैपिटल सी. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिनोट? विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैपिटल सी. इफ समवेयर रिटन कैपिटल सी, देन वी कैन से कैपिटल सी इक्वल टू कंजप्शन. एंड कंजप्शन फॉर्मूला इज गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सी बार प्लस बी वाई. C bar plus dy. This is the formula and form of C equal to C bar plus by. It is the information given in front of you, linear conjunction function. We can write this formula in another way also, means conjunction equal to how C0, okay, C0 plus by. We can able to write in this form also. How C bar or a CO both are equal. At the place of C bar we can write C0 also. They both are common, but both are the same formula. At the place of C bar we can able to write C0 also. This is the part of linear conjunction function. Or at the place of C0 we can able A also as a formula, A plus by. A plus by. At the place of C bar we can able to write C0. Otherwise, at the place of C0 we can able to write A. The three formulas are given in front of you. With the help of that you can able to know this is the process step of questions. With the help of that you can able to solve this question. Once again you written the explanation of these things. C bar. C bar is the level of consumption at zero level of income is always positive. C bar, once again listen. C bar equal to level of consumption at zero level of income. It is always positive. B. Next we can say B. What is the B and why B is written here? B is the MPC. B equal to MPC. B equal to MPC. MPC equal to means marginal propensity to consume. Okay. In front of you B is written. B equal to MPC means marginal propensity consume. With the help of that we can able to know these all things. Why you know very well. Why is a given level of income. Y को इनकम लेवल के नाम से जानते हैं. Y कहीं लिखा होगा तो इनकम को डिनोट करेंगे Y से. Suppose for example one question is given in front of you. You have to solve question. One question we are going to solve. Find conjunction. Find conjunction C. If B equal to 0.8 and income Y, okay, income Y is a given 200 and C bar equal to 100. So with the help of that, students, we are going to find conjunction. If these all information is given in front of you, then how we can able to solve? So with the given this information, we have to solve this one with the help of first formula. The first formula is given in front of you. C equal to C bar plus by. At the place of these all things, we have to put this valuation and we can able to get information. For example, C equal to, what is the given? 100. Where is 100? 100 is given in front of you. At the place of C bar, just here we write 100 plus B. At the place of B, 0.8 into Y is given 200. So 100 is already given here. Solve 0.8 into 200, then it will become 160. 160. Total value equal 100 plus 160 means 260. 260. We can say the rupees. C. Consumption equal to 260 RS. This is the explanation. This is the process. This is the pattern. With the help of that, you can able to solve question of linear conjunction function. Means if someone asks to calculate conjunction, with the help of this process you will solve your question. Okay, so now with the help of that you have to solve the questions and make your notes and share this video to your friends also, and subscribe my channel and share this video to your group, your members, your friends, your relatives, your friends who is related with the commerce activities, commerce group, commerce facility. Okay, with the help of that you have to solve this question and stay at home, be safe and make a note, prepare it well. Okay, for next video subscribe my channel, then I will upload my next video. You will get soon and soon. Okay, thank you all dear students. Thank you.